In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the free cable TV channels for free June 1st, 2019. Here is the package right here. What we have here is an iView 3200STB. It's a standard television broadcast. That's what it stands for, STB. So you can see it's enjoy digital TV programs on your analog and digital TV. Enjoy your life with simplicity. So you see how everybody relaxing, trying to watch and get their thing going on. So guys, want to just take you in to the box. You can get your free TV without digital converter. You don't need any cable. Cut that cable. Divorce that cable today and get to your free television right here with the JW Solar USA live from Minnesota. Thanks for watching. Guys, this is what we have here. And I just want to show you what's inside the box. So we have a remote control. It's easy access. See, you put a finger right there. Easy access. A remote control. And we have the digital box. It's a built-in HDMI, and it has composite, which is the yellow, red, and white, the old connection. And you have a coaxial. This is for digital sound if you have a receiver for surround sound system. So guys, this is what it is. And you connect your antenna here. Connect your antenna here and the output here. If you're still using the old school, this is the oldest one, this is the second oldest. So now we have the latest technology, which is the HDMI. So what it stands for is high definition media interface. So if you don't know what it is or what it stands for, high definition media interface. So this is the box. That's all. This is all you need. So you don't need no cable, and it comes with a charger, and of course the old wires. They always send them with the system. Let's go connect the system. Stay tuned. Alright, this is the back of the television. You can see all the inputs there. So already got a HDMI cable plug in there, and we're just gonna utilize that and get it to run on my 60-inch television. So this is the back of the cable box, or the converter, made by iView. See that? 3200STB. So I'm gonna connect here the wire, a short connector here. It's gonna go to my splitter for my antenna. Okay, that's the other half right here. I'm gonna bring you back. I have a splitter here, which is a 5 by 1000 megahertz. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna connect it. Stay tuned for that. So it's all connected back here. But there are other options here you can go with. So I don't want to use none of those options, which is the composite with the yellow, red, and white. I'm trying to go with the highest quality, which can give me the 1080p resolution or more. So instead of having a lower resolution, I'm going to use the HDMI here, which I'm going to be plugging my HDMI cable back of this device. Okay, let's see how this goes with one hand. Alright, it's already plugged in here. I have a Vizio HDMI cable. It's plugged in here. So if I want I have a surround sound system, I want to pass the sound through, I'm going to use this guy here and go. But if you have the latest surround sound system, this one can carry the sound direct output it goes from the HDMI output from here to your receiver surround sound system. From your sound system out, it has an output, okay, to your TV. So that gives you, when you turn the receiver on, automatically turn on the TV and go about it, get a full sound, surround sound. So today we just use this one direct to the TV, and we're not going to be using the tuner for the TV. We're not going to use this tuner. The output, we're going to use a HDMI output direct. There's another output there. You can use channel 3 on this one, but we're going to be using a HDMI. Let's power up this guy with a power cable on and go about it. Search the channels. I have the power cable here. I'm going to be plugging it. Alright guys, this is the it says iView. That's the screen, and it's gonna give us the selection. We're gonna go, it's all set for United States, and we just have to go down and say scan. It's on the HDMI already, so we are scanning the channels here, folks. Let's see how everything goes from here. Stay tuned, live from JW Solar USA. Well, see the channels started coming up, picking up channels. 1, 2, 5. More. The only thing, guys, I can't play these channels after they already scanned, because YouTube's gonna flag my video for copyright, which I don't want to. We want to get in trouble with that. So these are all the channels coming in, and guys, you can pick up radio channels as well if your antenna is if you have a digital antenna, or maybe radio broadcast is within your area or within your transmitter. So we got 26 channels here at 641 megahertz. Hope you find this video helpful. Please stay tuned for more channels or more videos coming in your way live from this channel, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. We already scanned about 30 channels. We already got from the over the air. You can see the little blue dot is almost to an end, and as soon as it's done, the picture is gonna show, which I'm gonna pause the video. I don't want to